Hello friends, my name is Tanvi and welcome back to my channel Sisters Magic. Today I am back with one more exciting experiment for you. Today I will tell you the three main steps of water purification, that are sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So let's get started. Things required are a funnel, a tea strainer, a fine piece of cloth, filter paper, 3 glasses that should be transparent, tea strainer, spoon, mixture of sand and mud, water and a plate. So let's get started with our first process, which is sedimentation. For this we need 1 glass, mixture of sand and mud. We will put water in it and now I will put some sand and mud mixture in it. Now I will stir it. Yes. Now let's leave it for some time. Till then, I will tell you the definition of sedimentation. When the heavier component in a mixture settles after leaving it undisturbed for some time, the process is called sedimentation. Yes. Now let's check our muddy water. You can see the sand has settled on the bed of the glass. Yes, this was the process of sedimentation. Now let's get started with our second process, which is decantation. For this we need 1 more glass, tea strainer, fine piece cloth, and now I will put this tea strainer on it and slowly we will put this muddy water in it. Yes, you can see the thick dirty material has come on the tea strainer. Yes. The thick particle has removed from the water, but till now there are some tiny particles that are in water. So now I will tell you the definition of decantation also. The process of removal of water above the sediment is called decantation. Yes. Now we will start with our third and last process, which is filtration. For this we need 1 more glass, filter paper and a funnel. First of all, we will put a funnel in this empty glass and then above we will put this filter paper. Yes. Now I will put our muddy water in it. Yes, now you can see this water is free from tiny and big particles of sand, means free from sand. Yes, now I will tell you again the definition of filtration, separating of finer impurities from the decanted using a filter paper known as filtration. Thank you. These were my 3 steps of water purification. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.